I wanted to ask you, one, how do you think that AI is actually helping this field? Second, out of so many articles out there, how can we as a company make our articles come out as the ones and, capture the right information and make sure that that information is getting out to the right people at the right time?
I think that AI is not something that we should compete with, first of all. We should take help from it and we should create something of our own from AI. So if I talk about content writing, so yeah, it totally gives you something that we can use in our content, but it can't help you in writing very, emotional, creative, human written content that can actually, interact with the reader.